Morning, guys. See that old truck back there? That is a 1937 International D2. That is my son John's wonderful find that he protects. And winter's coming on and he wants to get that truck put in the barn to keep it out of the elements when winter comes and all the snow flies. He wants it safe and sound, tucked away in the barn. So the big question today is, how do you move a truck that won't start? Right now it's not running. He wants to restore that old truck, get it running, get it painted up and fixed up. But right now we can't even start it to get it in the barn. So how do you get it in there when it won't start? Well, we're going to use the tractor today, and that's our project, to get it in that barn. You see Mr. Z back there? He's already on the tractor, checking it for gas to make sure it's got some. And we're going to use that tractor to get that truck in the barn. All right, here we go. We've got a chain hooked up to the tractor and the truck. Now we're going to pull it backwards. We're going to bring that chain around to the front of the truck and pull it from the front of the truck instead of the back. Mr. Z, you're doing great, sweetie.
Inside looks like, as you can see, Johnny's got a big job ahead of him. Maybe you have a seat. Okay, Johnny, you ready?
Yep.
You look forward to the day when this thing will run on its own power?
Definitely. Rested on that and it won't shake as much, I don't think. See?
Yeah, that's good. I do shake a lot when I walk. Johnny, where'd you find this truck?
Pittsburgh, Kansas.
Was it quite a find?
I think so.
I've heard a lot of people that come to the pumpkin patch say they love this truck. love to have it. You ready to get rid of it?
Nope.
You'll keep it, huh?
Definitely, yeah.
Are these things hard to find?
Yeah, they're not terribly common.
What kind is it? Did you say?
It's an international D2.
D2. We're coming up to the barn. To the winter home of this little jewel. There's our old barn. Great Uncle Leonard built this barn. Mr. Steve's great uncle. Over 85 years ago. Really loved this barn. Served a lot of purposes over the years. Stored small square bales of hay in its day. But even before that, the wood was a livery stable in Kew. Uncle Leonard tore it down, brought the wood here, and built this beautiful barn. It stored lots of hay and equipment, and it's had a lot of kids in this barn through the years. We put rows of small straw bales in here for the kids to sit on when they come to the pumpkin patch with their field trip. And they sit on those bales, and it's been a great joy to stand up there in the front of the class and teach them how pumpkins grow from a seed to a grown-up pumpkin. Max will find lots of good eating probably in this truck this winter. You'll be able to find them ice and dine sumptuously. Right, Max? You're the good kitty, the good kitty. Max lives in my barn. All day long he sleeps, and all night long he hunts mice and eats them. There she is, guys, tucked safely inside this old barn. Doesn't look half bad in here, does she?